Good morning, dear students. In this new chapter, which is more on Photoshop CS6, you will be going to explore few new tools in this chapter. So let us discuss few of them today. We are going to discuss the brush tool as well as the pencil tool. So now let's talk about the brush tool first. This brush tool is used to draw a smooth stroke of the foreground color in an images. As you know, there are two colors present in your tools panel, that is foreground color and the background color. But the color which you are going to use for the brush tool is your foreground color. So must select the foreground color before using the brush tool or drawing a stroke using this tool. So in the tools panel, you can find this tool is available and it is known as brush tool. This tool belongs to the category of paint and retouching tools in the tools panel. So let's see what will be the. To use the brush tool, first of all, you need to open any image in the Photoshop. Afterwards, select the brush tool from the tools panel. After selecting it, choose the various options from the brush preset picker on the options bar. As you know, whenever you are going to select any tool from your tools panel, the options in the option bar will get changed. So this time you have to choose according to the brush. So select the brush size and hardness. Then choose the foreground color in the tools panel, and at the end drag the mouse pointer on the image to apply the brush stroke. In this way you can draw a brush stroke on your image in the Photoshop. Now let's see the practical usage of this brush tool. First of all, when you want to use a brush tool, you need to choose it from the tools panel. So here it is available, the brush tool, and when you are going to click over here on this tool, it will get selected. So once I had selected it, you can see there are many options available in the options bar. So you need to choose this one where a number is written and there is a small arrow. This is known as brush preset picker. And from here you will see many other options available which will going to help you to use the brush tool. So when you are going to click over here, you will find there are two main options, size and hardness. So as you are going to move this bar, your size of the brush will be increased. In the similar way, you can also decrease the size of your brush. The more the size, the larger the stroke will be. As you can see, on 26, the brush stroke will be like this. And if you are going to increase the size, eventually your stroke will also get increased. In the similar way, there is one more option that is known as hardness. So after the size, the second option that you are going to use is hardness. Now what is hardness? Let's check it out. I'm going to decrease the size first and then going to improve your hardness. When the hardness is 6%, let's see what kind of stroke it will be. So you can see the stroke with the 6 hardness. And when I'm going to increase the hardness from 6 to 55, let's observe the hardness. And now observe both the stroke. The first one, this is with the 6 hardness and this one is the 55. So the stroke will be more solid if you are going to increase the hardness of your brush. In the similar way, there are multiple brushes available here. You can choose any of these which you required. And each and every single brush have their own different kinds of stroke. Suppose choosing this, you will observe this kind of stroke on your image. And when you are going to change it, and I'm choosing this one brush, then stroke will be changed. Hope it's clear to you now. The next tool that we are going to discuss is pencil tool. This pencil tool is used to draw or write in the Photoshop file, which means you can draw freehand images and write in your own handwriting in the Photoshop image using this pencil tool. It is available in the Tools panel, and it also belongs to the same category, that is Paint and Retouching tools. In this category, where you find the brush tool, over there is a small arrow. You need to click over it, and then you can choose this pencil tool. So here it is available on your Tools panel. Now let's see what will be the various steps to use the pencil tool. First of all, you need to open any image in the Photoshop, or you can choose a blank page for your screen. After that, click the drop-down arrow of the brush tool and select the pencil tool. Then, as you are going to select the pencil tool, the options will get changed again. So this time you need to see the pencil size and the hardness from the pencil preset picker on the options bar. And then select the color for the pencil in the Tools panel. Remember, foreground color should be selected for the pencil. Now, draw the image or write the text by using the pencil. Now, what is the benefit of using the pencil? You can write the text using the text tool also, right? But the difference is here you can write the text in your own handwriting, which means you can draw the image or you can type the text, but free-handedly, which means you are not fixed with a certain font. So you can write in your own handwriting. Now let's see the practical usage of the pencil tool. First of all, you need to choose it. And how you can choose it? First, you are going to see a brush tool available in the Tools panel. When you are going to click over this, right click over this tool, you will find many other options. And you have to choose the second option available here, which is your pencil tool. So if you want to select the pencil tool, you need to right click on the brush tool, and then you need to choose the second option, which is your pencil tool. After that, you can see a pencil will appear over here, and then you can draw using your pencil. Either you can write the freehand text in this way, or you can draw any shape using it. So here you need to choose the options from this pencil preset picker. You are going to click over here, and you can see the size and hardness, the same two options which is also available in the brush preset picker. So it's same here. So when you're going to move this slider, you are going to increase the size of your pencil. And by moving this slider, you can increase or decrease the hardness of your pencil. Now let's change the size of your pencil first and observe what kind of changes will it appear. So earlier, the stroke is in this way. Now when I'm going to increase the size, you can see the changes. Right? In the similar way, you can also adjust the hardness of your pencil. So when I'm going to decrease the hardness, the same size of the pencil, but the stroke will be different in this. Reason? The change in the hardness. So in this way, you can write freehand text as well as you can draw any shape. Like if you want to give an outline to this, you can give it using a pencil tool because there is an irregular shape. So here I'm going to decrease the size and then I'm going to outline the surface. In the similar way, you can also draw any of the irregular shape using this pencil tool, and you can also write a freehand text.